Hello guys, happy Memorial Day to all my viewers. Today is Memorial Day. And I was looking at my 10 ads on Future Ad Pro and I seen this ad of this young lady. She's promoting her real estate company. I have definitely heard of that company before. I've seen it around my area, and she has her own capture page as well. You can search for properties. You can contact us. I'm looking for like some type of email information or something. Well, anyway, here's her email right here. The point is that you can use Future Ad Pro to promote any business that you please, whether that be real estate or whatever business you happen to be in. You need a marketing system and a traffic source in order to do that. So I'm gonna click my next ad. I still have I still have a few more to go, but and your ad will also pop up just like how everybody else's will pop up. This awesome system. Once you set up, you can immediately start earning. Let's see what his offer is. It's going to be a capture page. This is something that's duplicated for you guys to use, and it presents your entire business in a whole funnel. So it does everything all the selling can tell them for you, and that's usually the hard part in getting your business started. Finding new people and telling them about your business. It's better to have complete strangers know about your business than having to go face to face, hotel meets, things like that in order to present people to your business where you can have something on autopilot and have even more people come look at your business without you even moving a finger. So this is what Future Ad Pro can do. You can also earn money as well. Trust me guys, just hear me out. We have the easiest job in the entire world right now. We are internet marketers. We market things to people who have businesses that need marketing help. This is what the Power Lead system is here for you to do. Okay, we have the sales funnel set up for you. We have the email follow up responses for you, the autoresponders. Everything is set up for you. All you have to do is just drive traffic to that capture page, to that sales funnel, and over time, when you keep directing traffic, when you keep getting more eyeballs, and when I say get more eyeballs, I don't mean going out, hotel meeting, shaking hands, how you doing? No, we can do this. We can do this strictly online emails, complete strangers. They see the value in your sales funnel because you presented it in a way where it's valuable, and in return, they sign up because they see that they need a marketing system, and in return, we all help each other out. And go to my dad's. Actually, I'm gonna go to my business, and this is what I've made so far. You can use this money to cash out in Bitcoin, or the smart way, the most logical way, is to use this money that you're getting from Future, that you're earning every day, every 30 minutes from Future Ad Pro. You earn money for clicking your ads. You can use that money to get more advertisements from either Future Ad Pro or the sources outside of Future Ad Pro. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to log into my Power Lead system, marketing system. I'm about to log in the Power Lead system and send off a Memorial Day email to every single person in my list. So I'm gonna go to email. I'm gonna send email campaign. I'm gonna import one of my videos into that email as well. Why not, right? So I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna view campaigns. Happy Memorial Day campaign. Click on that. I do want to send it to myself as well. I'm going to select all, have everybody look at this email. This is the newest emails. I'm going to click you. All my subscribers is what they call them. Call them subscribers. And but this is perfect because today is Memorial Day. And trust me, you do want to send out emails to your leads, but you don't want to do that manually. Like that's going to take you all day to manually send out 200 or however big your list is. However big your list is, it's gonna take you a long time to send out these email campaigns to them. So sorry, I'm gonna fast forward this part. I just want to make sure I send it out to everybody since today is Memorial Day. All right, so I click I click sent all, and these are even the people from my this link right here was for my lead lightning. This is when I upgraded. I upgraded and purchased a new domain name, Power League. I mean, last year being brokeplan.com, and I'm gonna everybody who opted in is gonna get this email. So I'm gonna choose the date I want to send it. I want to send it right now. These are all the people, and here's the image of what it looked like. This is great. Wow. This is so great. And I'm gonna even show you guys a test. So I'm gonna send it off to about 267 people. My list is not that big, but that's fine because as you buy more traffic, generate more videos to free platforms like YouTube, I'll be your toolbox, getting more solo ads from Udemy and MLM leads. All these sources, all these follow up, everything is done for you. This is so great. I'm gonna just send this off and success. And it's just that simple. I've sent off a email just by making a few clicks. Okay. But what I forgot to do, guys, I wanted to put my video in that email as well. But I'm gonna show you how you can edit that email. For the sake of the video, I didn't edit it, but looking back now, I should have edited in my own way. Yes, I'm gonna go to Happy Memorial Day, and look, all you have to do is just click here to make a copy, and then I'm gonna just leave it how it is. It doesn't matter the name. I'm gonna click on edit. Wait for it to load. Still not loaded yet. Here it is. And then I could have incorporated my link to one of my videos, in which I forgot to do. But that's fine. Let me go to my email just to make sure that it got sent off. Alright. And then I'm gonna go to sent mail. And then here's my message that I just sent out. You see how quick that was? That was so fast. That was so powerful. This right here is very powerful in your business, putting everything on automation for you. My website, my email, a quick message saying, hey, happy Memorial Day and enjoy your day. Click on my link and let's get started with the last year being broke plan. It's that simple and easy, and everything is done for you with the Power Lead system. Can promote any business that you want, and you can use traffic sources that can earn you money as well. You can use that money to pay for more traffic, and it's not gonna be coming out your pocket. The money that's going in your pocket is from your Power Lead system and your primary business. All that money is coming in your pocket. The rest of the money that you put out to those traffic sources and to the solo ads and buying traffic, you can promote those links with your marketing system. You can promote those links, and in turn, you'll be receiving money to fund your traffic. I mean, to fund your businesses, which will be the Power Lead system slash your primary business. So I really appreciate you guys for watching the video. Take care, and I will most definitely see you on the inside.